Back again. So we've taken a photo of the issue for the inspection, and we've also recorded that's for the asset that we actually recorded on. And you can sort of see here in the actual the screen that when the photo is actually recorded and stored in there, it's actually already recorded for us that the condition is 5, that the damage is 3, that the risk is recorded as insignificant, and that the probability of it occurring is actually is possible. And a brief description of what was concerning the actual photo, that it shows a crack in the curb. Okay, so now there is another option, the way we can actually record issues rather than a photo. In some cases, when you're actually recording it, they always say a photo speaks 1,000 words, but sometimes a sketch is also preferred. So what we're going to do is we're going to record the same information. So now we're going to actually record the same issue for the asset called curb. But rather than take a photo as we've done here with the first instance, we're going to use a sketch to show the information that we want. So same principle. So again, we're under that same inspection. We're going to create a new photo for inspection. We record it. So this time it's actually going to be a sketch of curb. Location, as we said before, is on the left hand side, and there we can put chainage. We can write whatever chainage information that we actually want there. Photo comments. It's a broken section of curb. We fill in the condition ratings. We said 5, and I think we had 3. Risk consequence is, I think we said was insignificant. The probability was possible. Action required. No action. So we're recording the same information, but now here's where the change comes in. So rather than using this the camera, we're now going to draw a picture. How we do that is, if we jump back over here, there's a free app which is called Audit. You can use any of them. You could use Samsung Sketchbook. You could use the Autodesk one, which I actually think works quite well for doing sketches out in the field. There's a number of them. They're all compatible, and the way Teams actually works is that when you've done your sketch and you're choosing the actual option to bring in a picture, it'll bring up all the actual app options you actually have downloaded on your app device, and you can just choose that, and it's basically just selecting the image from your gallery. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to draw the curb. So we've got a curb unit there. There's the bitumen that runs along there. That's just a section through the curb, and then you're going to note there that there's a bit of a crack in the curb, and a bit of a a chip there as well. So we can say there's a chip. You can write notes and however you want to do it. So then we save the sketch. That's recorded. Now we can jump back into Teams, and we select here. See what I mean? So there's the sketch facilities that I've actually got on my app. So we can choose the image from Auto Sketchbook, because that's what we used. We select that particular picture, and there it is. And now that's actually recorded. In some cases, what I've actually do in the past is I actually even grab plans and import those plans actually into the Android device, and then I actually mark up the plans with the issues that I actually want. So it's a very, very powerful way of actually recording the issues.